Good morning. It's Friday, September 29th, 2023. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Looking good across the state of Georgia this morning. We do have cloud cover, but no precipitation, just some radar noise there in middle and south Georgia. Some heavy rain with a little storm system there off the Georgia coastline. That is not going to move inland. That will bring some high surf to coastal Georgia, but no more rain through the day today, which is good because we still have those coastal flood advisories in effect. But we're not going to add any more rain on top of that. We're going to try to dry out along the Georgia coast. Let's take a look at the tropics. Two almost identical storms side by side, Philippe and Rina. They look very similar, and both storms are going to maintain below hurricane strength, it looks like, and both will turn to the north. No threat to us whatsoever. Here's a look at the track for Philippe. 45-mile-an-hour sustained winds, going to continue to move toward the southwest very, very slowly, and then move due north and accelerate fairly quickly. It looks like it's going to maintain tropical storm strength through next week. Now, Rina, different story. That's going to be in the exhaust of Philippe, so it looks like that's going to help tear the storm apart as we get going into the middle of next week. Should be downgraded to a tropical depression by Tuesday. Could be a little earlier than that. We'll just see how close the two storms actually get to each other. But again, the track is pushing Rina up to the north, so no threat for us whatsoever, and really nothing else on the map after these storms move off. But again, we'll keep an eye on it as we continue over the next several weeks. Still the possibility of some more tropical storms or hurricanes to brew. Let's take a look at the modeling this morning. There are those storms off the coastline. You see, they just don't really move anywhere toward us. No problems at all as we move through the day today. Rest of the state of Georgia, we're going to see some cloud cover. A little bit of sunshine starts to poke through, especially in North Georgia. I think things should be pretty nice in the northern part of the state, but still hanging on to the cloud cover in middle and south Georgia. Maybe a shower or two trying to pop up. We do have plenty of moisture in the atmosphere, so just look out around metro Atlanta. Parts of the mid-state could see a shower later today, but just not that likely. Most of us stay rain-free. And then through the overnight hours, things are pretty quiet. High pressure is going to start to slide in a little bit more from the north. That'll break the clouds up even more. Heading through the day tomorrow, we'll see mostly sunny skies over the top two-thirds of the state. Still a few cloud covers, still a little bit of cloud cover in South Georgia, but we'll keep most of the rain down in Florida. So if you have any plans in Florida, take an umbrella. As for Georgia, we're looking good. Sunday, that high pressure stays locked in. Should be a very nice day. Even more sunshine to share across the state. So no problems at all this weekend. It looks like we stay dry through most of next week over most of the state as well. That's your morning weather update from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.